Hello to all and everybody. I'm Hervé again. Then before start this video today, I want to thank all the people that have give us the feedback regarding our last development project regarding the welding electrode quick field selection. And today again, I have a lot of claim for the people complaining about how to set up the new welding machine, and we with the team of Afro Welding Skill, we have worked a lot during the week to develop this application that will be very great for you to know how to set up and have the operational manual maintenance manual for the new welding machine. Then our work have been done only for the new machine that have been built around 2020 and 2025. So let's quickly jump in the topic to present you our methodology and the approach. As you see, we have made some quick analysis of the welding machine, and this is the methodology we have select to have the data and to make our uh, analysis. And this is some market overview and business report. So the report is available. If you want and need it, you can just tell that you are interested, and I can share with you. Then our own aim is to focus in Africa because it's the new and a very good market. And as you can see, the projection, the Africa demand is driven by construction and infrastructural work, for example, South Africa and many other countries for the equipment market. And we will reach 298.5 million by 2030 with some business growth rate around 4.6%. And as you see, the overall document is very full, but actually we will focus only in Africa. And as you can see, it's not all welding machine and welding equipment that is relevant and good for Africa. Then we have also developed some very deep analysis for the top 10 branch machine that are accommodate to the Africa industry and environment. And these are the mark and the justification, and the criteria is accessibility, maneuverability, reliability, and innovation. Then we have discussed with around 280 something expert, and we have 84% of the feedback from them, and all have the resource. If you go on that on this, you can see all the justification here. And so this also is some tips to select, and at the end I finished because actually I have developed a new skills as a welding and fabrication data specialist and business intelligence. And so I have all the statistics here that I will be available to share, and this work now have give us all the information to develop a great application, because the aims is that you know, if for example you are a contractor or a businessman and you have a company or training center, is according to the market demand that we will equip your technological and logistical park. So most of the investor and company in Africa don't have the updated machine. That's why welder also is in front of the matter, because they don't have a new machine. And actually the situation is during some tests, they have tests in one project more than 300,000 welder, then only 10% have been succeed because they were in front of some new machine, and to set it was a problem. There is not most exactly the welding operation. The problem is the setting and to understand the machine. That is why all those data have allow us to develop one application, and we are still in the testing mode. Then I welcome all your comment and reflection to update and to make the tool be very useful for the next. Then let us jump quickly in the interface of the application. So as you can see now, this is one of the one of the model of the application. Is both. It can be in French or English, but we will work in English now. See, this one is allow us to quickly start some machine or select. Then for example, you are a welder and you are in front of some new machine and you don't know how to set it and you don't have a lot of information about how it's work. The simple thing is to arrive here and to select the company. For example, we can say what Muller or ESAB or each machine. You see this, and now you select the process. You see, depend, and you can have the machine mark, and now you can set the guide. And when you go there, it will be some part that you can see. It's not installed, and you can have it, and now you have a general concept of the machine. You have this, and here you have how to start the machine, see with all the relevant information, and you can set up here to know. This one is very important for the productivity, to let you know if it's the welder or the machine the problem. This is the optimization for the machine. As you see, the voltage, everything. Sorry, because it's actually in the French. I didn't. And this one, and this part is media. I will show you at the end. The media is basically the content our team will develop to train the people, and the content will be available in our platform. That let me show you now the other platform we have seen, that which all the change and the update. Okay, as you can see here, we have developed the same, and I integrate one African language. Then it's also able to customize according to what you need. Then we have take three languages: English, French, and Swahili. If you go to the English, you can have it here, and we go to the French, you will see how it's changing, and we go to Swahili, it will change. Then let us go to the English version. Then so you just need to come here and select your if you are in front of some machine. According, we have work with 20 welding equipment supplier. You can select your own here. For example, it can be this. Here you can select the welding machine, and you have now this one. I will come back here. This one will be one content that will develop. If for example this fullback can have all the data, we invite them to collaborate with us to give the operational manual, the maintenance manual, and the video to explain how to start and set up the machine. We will be upload in our Afro welding skills. Then you can have also link on to select the machine here. You see, okay, you see. There you can have now the video is not yet uploaded, and you can have it here. And also the tools, you can go also do the same in the French or in this language. It's also possible to have the tools. This is for the computer using. You can have also the same in phone. Then you can have it here in the phone. You can select your language in English. You select the mark, and you can have this. And I will later explain you how we will going to pull up the content here. And we have a great team that is working actually On that, you will see how to get to have these videos and the operational manuals. So as you can see, this is one of our welding instructor who is also the Lincoln specialist, who is explaining actually theoretical, and after you will see, then this is the content that will be uploaded in our platform. Let's see how it's going to work. So now after the theoretical, go at the field in from the machine. Which is the normal conventional heat. So if for instance, place this, it's not going to work with this because it's not on synergy. Okay? It's on old technology. Yes? Now figure out for this specific wire speed, what voltage do I look for? Accommodate the wire speed. We actually have a great and solid team of international welding instructor that we are working on to develop this content. For example, you have Arsene, who is graduated international welding specialist of IIW, who is doing a lot of content. He is also Lincoln electric technical specialist and agent, and we also have Raymond, who is our own international welding practitioner from IIW. Raymond is very active and he's one of our main and senior instructor in Afro welding skills. And we also have Ronald, who is the CEO of SEP Institute Engineering in Uganda, who is very active also, and he's working also to develop one of the great content from train the trainer. And we have also Mr. Valley, who is the CEO of JFP International and African Skills Development, who is working actually to the fund to start building 30 international welding schools in Africa. He just completed a very great trip and meetings with a lot more than 15 African countries. And we have also the Professor Polka, who is actually the Vice President of IIW. And I want to thank all our this team and their support. We are collaborating and we are open to have all the idea, all the claims. You can go through our different platform. If you want to share something with us, give us comment. And this is our team we are working with. So as told you previously, you can follow our activities on our different media page. For example, this is our YouTube channel. You can have all the information. That was the yesterday or last week video regarding the electrode selection. This also is our TikTok channel. Then the aims is to deliver the media content showing the welding operation. And for the topic we are discussing now will be the setup of the new welding machine. So I thank all of you, and we are open to all the information you can have, and we are calling for all the welding manufacturer to send us the video to explain how to set the machine, or also the manual operation that we will be pull up in our platform. I thank you very well, and very good is coming very soon for us in Africa.